I bet you didn't know how easy packing for an international trip can be. Packing for an international trip can feel overwhelming, but with a bit of planning and organization, it becomes manageable. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to pack for your trip abroad. I bet you didn't know how crucial it is to know your destination. Research the climate and cultural expectations of your destination. Check the weather forecast for the time of your visit, and consider any special activities such as hiking or attending formal events. Understanding cultural norms can also help you pack appropriately, especially when it comes to modesty or dress codes for certain places like religious sites. Know your destination. I bet you didn't know how crucial a packing list is. 2. Make a packing list. Start by listing out everything you'll need to take. Divide your list into categories such as clothing. Are you overwhelmed by what to pack for your trip? Pack versatile pieces that you can mix and match. Focus on layers if you're going somewhere with varying temperatures. Bring a combination of casual outfits, comfortable shoes, and a dressier option if needed. Consider the rule of threes. Pack 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 pairs of socks or underwear, then adjust depending on the length of your trip. What's something people don't know about packing toiletries for international trips? Toiletries travel size items are your friend here. Many countries have restrictions on liquids, so ensure each container is 100 milliliters or less if you're flying. Essential toiletries include toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and any necessary skincare or makeup products. Remember any prescription medications along with copies of the prescription in case you need a refill abroad. What's something people don't know about packing documents for an international trip? Documents. Don't forget your passport, visa, if applicable, travel insurance information and boarding passes. Make photocopies of your important documents and store them separately from the originals or keep digital backups. You need to hear this if you're a tech-savvy traveler. Tech and gadgets. Bring a phone camera, charging cables, power bank, and international plug adapter. If you're traveling for work, pack your laptop or tablet. Also, download maps, travel apps, and offline translations to help navigate once you arrive. I bet you didn't know how to pack smart. Start with the heaviest or bulkiest items like shoes or jackets at the bottom of your suitcase. Roll your clothes to save space and prevent wrinkles. Utilize packing cubes for organization, especially if you're visiting multiple destinations. Place toiletries and electronics in easy-to-reach compartments to simplify airport security checks. Pack smart. Are you worried about extra fees for your luggage? Consider baggage rules. Check your airline's baggage policy, as weight limits can vary. For carry-ons, make sure your bag meets the size and weight restrictions, and avoid packing prohibited items like sharp objects or large amounts of liquid. I bet you didn't know the importance of leaving some space in your luggage. Leave some space. Avoid overpacking by leaving space for souvenirs or items you might buy while abroad. This ensures you don't have to repack everything tightly on your way home. This is why you need to pack smart for your international trip. With these tips in mind, you'll be well prepared for your adventure abroad.